Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Today I will be talking about stock Macy, ticker symbol M. In this video, I will be talking about the recent price movement, the pattern, what I see in the chart, and also how we can get the benefit from the recent movement, and if there is a long-term investment, how can we get gain. And I will be talking about some option, that is strike price and the expiry date. So let's start. So if you look at the chart, that in mid 2018 the stock was trading around $40. Then with time they started losing their money, it came down, and beginning of 2020 during the coronavirus time it was like around $16. It was okay. Then suddenly starting from March, I believe, like there is a significant drop. The stock price came from $15-16 to like $4. And why? Because during March 2020 they decided to close their stores nationwide because of coronavirus. I think they said like around 125 stores throughout the entire country. So the stock had a massive drop. Then it came down $4. Then starting from November, you can see that the stock again started rising, and currently this is sitting at $12. So let's look at the recent price movement here. I want to show few things, normally what we call cup and handle, how the stock is moving here. Maybe I'll just extend a little more. Okay, so in the first, maybe it's not necessary to draw the cup and handle, but I'm just drawing here. So that was like one cup, then the handle, so that was one pattern. Then again the stock came here, then it started forming another candle. So again another cup and handle pattern. Sorry, this is the wrong one. Yeah, so another cup, then the handle, and yeah, so one cup and then cup and handle here, another cup and handle here, and then some movement. So this is a pattern I noticed like for last two times, the cup and handle patterns, and each time the pattern is formed, you can see that it goes beyond the previous price. So here again the same thing, the cup was here, then it passed that resistance, it went up. Anyway, I'll just remove the cup and handle from here so that I can show you some other lines, you can get a better sense. So let's draw some lines as a resistance line, I would say. So one is like around, what's it, $12, and the other one is around, yeah, $11. So the price came around $12, it came down from the U shape, and again it came to $12. That was the resistance, it came down, but it bounced off that $11 mark. Then it again went up around $13, and then again there was a massive drop because on January 5th again there was a news that Macy will shut down another 45 stores. It was part of their previous plan of 125 closing by 2023. So that was nothing a new news, and they are doing it in purpose because they have many stores where they are losing money. So they have a new thinking that they will close all the stores which are losing money, and they will invest those money only for A and B malls. Makes sense. And also they want to invest more in e-commerce, and during the pandemic I think e-commerce is a bigger sector. So these are good thinking when you look at long-term investment perspective. So not bad. So what we can see, the because of that news the stock came down, but this is not a new news. Maybe the new investors, they sold their shares, but the people who knew that this is nothing new, they bought back the store. So it went up, it came back. So currently what we are sitting at, which was $12. $12 was the previous resistance. Now it looks like this is the new support. If I go back to 30-minute chart, you can see that. So we went up, we came, we bounced back from that $12 line. We are currently moving around this place. So next week, what we can expect? The stock can move sideways, or it can come and bounce back from 12 again, then it can go up, or it can come down and it can come to the next support, which is $11. If we look at the RSI and MACD on a daily chart, let's move to daily again. So on a daily chart, the RSI is still very high, like 60. It's not over 70, so it's okay. But you can see that at the MACD, you see they are crossing, and you can see some little green here, which means that it's getting bullish. It could be this week, or there could be some sideways consolidation. Anyway, so again, I think this is like not like an electric vehicle stock that it will just shoot up the next day. It could be a long-term hold. So what I can suggest is, what my opinion is, like when it's a long-term stock, a long-term holding, I do not want to invest a lot of money. I do not want to keep my money in something where I can get less return. So I prefer to do some option play for this one, because the hold could be 5 months, 6 months, or even 2 months. So when I look at the option price, they are very cheap. That is why I want to introduce this stock. So if I look at the option call, let's say look at May expiry date, the stock is currently $12. If you select the strike price $12, the premium is only $230. It's not that much, and the delta is 61%, which means if the stock moves $1, your option contract will move by $61. And if you look at the strike price of 13, it's very cheap, $188. If you think by May the stock will not go to 13, you can even look further. August 2021, you can see even the 12 strike price is very cheap, $265. So if you buy May or August expiry date with a strike with a premium of 240 to 250 anything, I think there is a possibility of huge gain, because if the stock moves to $15, $16, what I'm thinking, by next 8 months the stock will go to $15, $16. In that case, you will get a gain of $300, and you are just not risking, like you are just giving a premium of $265. So I see there is a huge potential for a long-term hold option. So I don't see there is any big risk if you play like that. If you buy that long expiry option for little amount, and you can just wait and see, it will go high, and I'm sure like by May or by August this stock will come back to at least $16. So that was the main thing I wanted to show in this video, that how the price is moving, what option you can purchase, and how we can get benefit. If you think this video will the video gave you some good information, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Peace.